New Zealand's Prime Minister Chris Hipkins said climate change is real and with us in the wake of Auckland's devastating flood event. 4 people have died, hundreds have been left displaced after the city in the North Island has lashed by heavy rain. We know through the forecast that there is more bad weather ahead, he said. He visited the flood-affected area and offered his deepest condolences to the families of deceased. He also warned the country's extreme weather would continue.
1 in 100 year weather event, and we seem to be getting a lot of them at the moment. Yes, climate change is real, it's with us, it's having an impact on our weather. We are seeing more of these extreme weather events. We're going to have to deal with more of these extreme weather events in the near future. We need to be prepared for that, and we need to do everything that we can to combat the challenge of climate change.